In this video, I'll show you how to remove apps from the dock on your MacBook. The dock is the bar at the bottom of your screen where you can keep your favorite apps for quick access. Now, removing an app from the dock does not delete the app from your Mac. It only removes the shortcut from the dock. To get started, find the app you want to remove from the dock. Then, right-click on the app icon. If you're using a trackpad, you can also click with 2 fingers. From the menu that appears, hover over Options. Then click Remove from Dock. The app icon will disappear from the dock, but the app will still remain installed on your Mac. Another way to remove an app is to click and hold the app icon, then drag it away from the dock. Once you see Remove, release it, and the app will be removed from the dock. And that's it. You've successfully removed an app from the dock on your MacBook. You can still open the app anytime by going to Finder, clicking Applications, and launching it from there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.